Go to home, not home, about.html file. And the text box we have created, we wrote the class called input box as well as big box, and button was there. And we have called table inside the we have here. So this table will have little padding on right one ID for this table also. Contact table or message table. Message table. Right, message table is ready. Come to the CSS file now. First we'll write the CSS for message table. Is ID or class? ID. Message table you can write all width, not width, okay, or width we give 100% of the table. Then write kind of a border, 5px, solid gray color, and in that can add a property border hyphen radius also, and 5px. So table will become little bordered, something like this. Padding is not there. We need to give some padding inside. Padding also. Some 10px should not be compressed. Okay. Next, after that, you can write the tr height as message table, space tr, message table space tr height 45px, so will be little better height. So tier height got increased. Height got increased. Next, this text boxes should cover the full width. So for that, we have written a class called input box. In that, we can write the width. 100%. It should cover the full width. And the height of the text box should be somewhere 28 px. Proper height. So this page will appear like this. Text area we have, for that we have written called big box. There also we can write the similar dot big box, width 100% and height little more, and height like somewhere 70 px. Should come spacious. Okay, so height is increased. Now button change, button CSS we can change. We can change the button little. Background, which color you can make? Red color. Background, red color. Then padding of the button, 10 px from top, 15 px from left right, 10 px from bottom. Next, after that, border should not be there. Color of the button should be white color. Border radius 50%. 50%. Before button, little space is required. Margin icon top, 10 px. Right, happening, butter is coming. something like this. Border radius is okay. We can rotate a button little. Okay. How to rotate? We have a property transform colon rotate. Transform colon rotate somewhere 30 degree. So button will be rotated on 30 degree. It will not be complete straight. It will be little italic kind of. 30 DEG together. 30, 40, 50, 90, anything you can write. Degree. Okay. So something like this. Oh, it's become huge rotate. Out of box. Okay. 10 degree we can try. But we can rotate more so that it's a turn in this direction. That is what 360. 360 minus 10, 350. But direction on, this is okay. Little something. 350. 350 degree window. Okay. Next, after that. So this page work is done almost. There is some white spaces here. In that we can display some photos. Then it will look like filled. Else it's looking like empty. We can remove one paragraph and we can put here some photos, 3 photos. So check now. Right side is ready. From here we have started. From message table we have started. Message table of TR, input box, big box, then button. These all are the total CSS of today. So hope it's working for all. Okay, working. Now we need to go to the HTML part. We need to go to the HTML part so that we can arrange some photo under the first left block. Some photo. Even CSS code I will share you in the chat. All CSS that we have written today. All the CSS that we have written today is coming to your chat. Yes, it is available in the chat also. Okay, so in about file we'll go, and we have written one paragraph. Inside one paragraph, okay, so inside paragraph again how will add the content? That is the next question. In paragraph, if we add, then it will become wrong. Inside paragraph, we can't insert image. So add one more, some more content here after the BR. Two BR we can add and increase the content little so that it should look like it's covering all. We can add 3-4 line after giving 2 BR. Yeah. Missing part will get covered. Okay, so it is okay now. Next we'll work for the service page. In service page will not have much effort. The service already we have written. Same service will enable here. We'll remove this section. Service will be ready. Okay, so paragraph you added. Now come to the next file. That is called service. In service file, some text is written. Navigation part. Even icon. Okay, icon also we have added there. So icon let it be. What we required is this is the actual service block. There is a service block. So in the service page, when we come, we need to have our services, one paragraph, one big, and just below to that, this service will come. And at last, after the service, the helpline number or contact number in the big font size. That will cover the full area. Okay, that way you can create. So you can copy everything from which file? From home file, not home file, from about file. About file. A to Z. All content you copy from the about file. All the content copy from the about file and paste into the service page. Replace everything in service page. Replace everything in the service page. Okay, the service page got replaced by the content of about. Then in service page, you don't need the first container. Wait a minute. No, container is required, but two paragraph you have written, one division about we have written, right? We have a division called about. Div class equal to about. Go to the service page, find out this about division. Class equal to about. Okay, so this division you can delete from here, complete. So directly it will come to the service part. Okay, so delete everything. And here this section will be called as our services. Our services. Okay, our services are added. Below we have the service block. That page should look like this. Service block is here, that is okay. This footer block is also in the last, is okay. But after end of the service, we need to have contact number in the big font size. Okay. Modify the service page and let me know. So in service page, what modify we need to do? It is the copy of about page. You deleted the about block. Okay, we deleted the about block. Okay, right? And then we modify here called H1. Next, again, we need to go to the end of the division. And at end of the division, where the service is ending, we'll write H1 and we'll add the helpline number. Okay, now come down. Where the service is ending, after the end of the service, within the section tag only, you will write one H1, H1, get best quotation or quote. This should print in the center. Added. Let us check now how it appear. Coming in the center. That is okay. Right, so hope is working. Something like this. Footer in the last, header in between we have service block. Just H1 I need to add within the section tag. Next, after this, we need to work on next file, that is called login file. There form related activity we have. We have to manage the form. Mhm. So this is this division start, this division, service division under container. In service page, you don't have anything else, only container. That is a copy of home file. Okay. And in the last, in section tag, we are written on H1. Upper section you want to see? Here is the section, start, then our services, then service block. Inside that we have service data 1, service data 2, service data 3, service data 4, 5 and 6. All are inside one division. Division name is called service. Paragraph is the deleted paragraph. Yes. Within the block, having the service data. Without this class, give inside title. Okay, so I will share the service file also in the chat. If anything wrong, you can use this file. Even a designer design a page, home page take long time to design. Okay, first page will take long time to design because in all the pages header footer will remain same, right? Header footer will remain same. Basic design will remain same. In between, content will keep change. So this is HTML code. So in HTML code, you don't have something that you can write in one file and use everywhere. So suppose navigation we required in the next file, we have to copy paste. Okay, navigation we need in all the pages, so we have to copy paste. No other option. Okay, once you merge with the JavaScript, once you merge with the React, once you merge with the, you can say Ajax and all, then navigation we don't have to copy paste. We can add one place and remaining pages will keep creating. So header will be one place and then in all the file you will not copy paste, copy paste. It will become dynamic. Now as of now what we have, only static is there. So in how many pages you want the similar design, copy paste is option. Okay. Copy paste is also kind of a skill only. Okay, copy paste is also a skill that you should know. Okay, because a developer you cannot write all the lines and every line you can't remember also. Okay, internet help will be required, existing code will be required, something here there. But we need to know what you want, where to copy, how much to copy. While copy will leave one division and will copy half division. Paste an entire code will break down. Correct? While copy the HTML, forget the CSS. HTML will come, CSS will not come. You will be surprised, not working. People say there it is working, in my page is not working. Why not working? Because you have not taken the code properly, correct? So those is that copy paste plus understanding how much we required, where to copy, where to paste, right? Which code line started where it's ending. It's important only. Okay. Now come to our next file. The service file is ready. About file is ready. Home file is also ready. Next we'll work on login file. Okay. So login file will be completely different design. In that header we have taken, that is okay. Footer we also required. Footer and service we required. Other thing is not needed. Okay. So go to the login file, and in login file you need footer. The footer we have to copy paste. Footer you will copy from where? Service file. Yeah, footer you need to copy and paste in login page at end of the body. Paste the footer part. We have to do that. Okay, paste the footer part. Next, this the H1 you have written. H1 should be under the section tab with the class call container. Okay, so added login should look like this. Footer is coming up. What is missed out? ID is a container or ID or class? ID. Service is ID. Container. Container is ID. Container is the ID. I have written as a class. Please change container to ID. Correct? Display the icon here. Log icon. Here, log. One ID you can use in one page one time. If you have 100 pages, you can use in all pages. It's not like in project you cannot use. You can use in all the pages, but in each page only one time. Okay, now create a table. Class equal to input box. Okay, but now we need to open. Some CSS we have to write for table, and then for button already CSS we have, table will write, then it will look better. Login table. Okay, so HTML is ready. Button is looking like this. No, in project level, all button will look like that only. Little term. Okay, in button, you write one I. Okay, arrow right. Which boxes are not coming? They don't have any box here. There is a text box. Text box is not coming for you. Send your table to table in chat. This table to table send in chat. I'll guide you. Arrow key appear button. Come to CSS now. We'll write the CSS for this login table. ID is called has login. Margin auto. Width 350. Margin auto width 350. Now it should come in the middle. It's come in the middle. Then login table will have borders surrounding. Then under the login, you have the TR. Height should be You save your file and then run it. You are running your file without saving. Save it and then run. Code wise is okay. Your file is not saved. Something like this. Between TD and TS, there should be some space. Have login TH comma TD. There should be some space inside. Adding 10 TX. This. Try this. Okay. Okay, so login file is ready. Now we will go for the next file. Service about login. Then we'll go for this file called register. Login created. Everyone hope it should work. It is not very complicated code. Header was already exist. Footer was already there. Only in between table you added. You added the CSS and design was changed. Then register file. We'll take the copy of login and we'll paste in register. Take the copy of login A to Z and replace in register. We'll add the number of field. We'll increase the number of field. Okay, now in the register page, what changes is required is first change the icon and text, these two. Icon will be user plus and the login will convert into create new account. Create new account. After that, come down, button you have created in the last login, change to register. ID let it be same because we want same design. ID have follow login for the design purpose. Okay, so login page and register page design will be same. Number of field will get increase and decrease. Okay, so hope ready. Modification, create new account and then button called register. We'll add here full name, mobile numbers, something more. Okay. So add one more tier in that. Write the tier th for name Okay, added full name. C should be like this. Add one more field after password. After password, add one more field. TR, TH, mobile number. Okay, so hope design should be little different now. Then add one more. Okay, we can increase little width in CSS file. In CSS file, 350 are given. Make it 400 somewhere. Padding is more. I guess padding is more. Okay. Padding you can, okay. Let it be padding 30 and then width 400. Padding 30 and width 400. Okay, so become little wide. Right. So we have increased here width as well as we decrease the padding. Again, we'll come back to the HTML file, register file to add the city and text area. Go to the register file, 400 plus width we added, padding, register file. After mobile number, you need to add one more TR, then the TH call, city, the PD call, select, open, close, option, choose city. Class will be same, input box. You can add some more options. Okay, done. So this also should look like that. Same width. Hmm. Next one, text area is required. Write a text area. Ph call address. Hello. Hello. छोटू फोन करते हैं 2 मिनट में. Next, write a text area. Open close. Equal to big box. I hope look like this. Text area also same width, because width how much you have given? 100%. Little space is required below. Okay. After table, you can write 1 br. After table, 1 br or 2 br. 1 br is okay, but 2 br will be better. Okay, ready? Space given. Two space. So this become your register page, login page, service page, about page, and front page. Next work will be to make this page is responsive. Okay, next class, that is on not tomorrow, Monday, Friday, Saturday, Monday. Yes. Monday first and Monday the second. Monday second है ना? Monday ये Sunday first है. This year implies are in the last. Almost holiday.